My name is Paone, owner and operator of Paone Mechanical. We pride ourselves on quality heating, air conditioning, and refrigeration. What sets us apart from most companies is we provide quality same-day service, and we bring it in on time and on budget. We've been in business since 2000. We service all major makes and models. We also service residential and commercial and industrial. We have great quality installations, great sales service.
I have him on my speed dial, and I can call him anytime. He's very responsive to our needs. And, he's quick to come out here and resolve the problem.
If you need service, please contact us at 978-282-0145.